Hi, and welcome to the Weekly, your source for the trends and innovations we're seeing in the marketplace. So we're into March Madness. Do you remember that? We missed it last year, but in the old days, people went to the office and there were office polls, and whoever won the office poll was a hero and had to buy drinks for everybody on Friday. So hopefully we'll get some of that back this year. Looking forward to that. Springtime, we get spring. That's always a good thing. And even more vaccines. Johnson & Johnson just got approved. So that is nothing but good news. Our sponsor for today is Safety First Fire Rated Glazing Solutions. And they are the leading single source, vertically integrated US manufacturer of advanced fire rated glass and frames. And they can be used in doors, openings, walls, and floors for up to 2 hours. So check out all of their products at safety.com. BD+C loves reconstruction. We've had awards for 37 years. And Rob Cassidy found a very cool one in Memphis, Tennessee. It was a reconstruction of a train station into a downtown hotel. And Rob interviews the full building team. And one of the things they know is that train station, it had soul.
We're going to talk about a truly wonderful project called Central Station Memphis. And McLean, you know something about hotels because your grandfather was the founder of Holiday Inn, so a little bit of heritage there. Why did you want to do this particular project at the main train station in Memphis?
Yeah, so I got asked by Henry Turley, who is probably the most seasoned developer in Memphis for the last 30 years, to partner with him on this hotel. And it was important for me because it was my hometown. It was downtown, and adaptive reuse is such an important piece of creating culture. And you know, the building had a soul, and it had a soul that began when it was first constructed, and being able to be a part of the participation of the continuation of that soul was exciting. And so, you know, having the legacy of my grandfather and knowing that this may be the only hotel that I do in downtown, perhaps, I wanted it to be special, and I wanted it to represent Memphis. And so on the onset, we took really 3 questions that we wanted to have answered in the design process. One is, when you're in the Central Station Hotel, there's no doubt you're in Memphis.
Okay.
And 2, when you're in the Central Station Hotel, there's no doubt that you're in the South Main Arts District. And thirdly, when you're in the Central Station Hotel, you're no doubt at the Central Station Hotel. So it just got to, you know, how are we going to create this distinct nature and what we're developing?
What a great project. I am looking forward to getting to Memphis when we can travel and check that out. And McLean, being the grandson of the founder of Holiday Inn and him working in hotels, how cool is that? Speaking of cool, Autodesk bought a cool product. It's called Spacemaker. And it's a generative design and AI product. Vikram Dutt, he describes the product to us and 3 real world examples of how it works.
I mean, this is something I've been working on for over a year, so really something near and dear to my heart. And I like to call of Spacemaker as really bringing that automation superpower, as you said, to us. It's put simply it's an intelligent design platform, right, that enables, they're focused initially on the developer market, right? But the idea here is that it'll expand to other segments of the market, other building types. They focus on multifamily, residential, and some commercial right now. And it's all about, providing our users an easy way to assess designs, look through different design options, and using artificial intelligence to evaluate the best option, right? So if you want to do things like, hey, here's this parcel of land, is this the best fit? You know, how much, how many square feet of apartments can I build here? You know, how many number of apartments? By the way, I want to be able to, you know, look into the impact of noise, wind. You know, I want X percentage of my apartments to have, you know, views of the ocean, right? Spacemaker essentially lets you do that. And our goal here is to obviously, you know, serve this new market, right? That's exciting. But more importantly, it becomes the basis for us as to how we, you know, move to the future, right? And how we provide this intelligent platform to our entire user base.
You talk about moving AI to the masses. Autodesk is going to be able to do that. They'll be able to put Spacemaker in front of all their Revit users. Wow, that's a big audience. So that ends our show for today. If you'd like to see any of our past episodes, please check them out on Horizon TV or on YouTube. And if you'd like to see any topics or email me about anything on the show, here's my email. Special shout out to Safety First Fire Rated Glazing Solutions. They have customized solutions for every environment. You can find all their information at safety.com. Please be safe this week. We're making great headway. Spring's coming. Woohoo! And we look forward to seeing you next Thursday. Thanks.